Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to buy BNB on Paybis. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to buy BNB on Paybis, first click open your Paybis account. Open up a web browser and type in www.paybis.com. Press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Paybis. Click the login button and enter your credentials into the login area and get logged in first. Once you're logged in order to purchase any cryptocurrency on Paybis, you'll need to get verified first. From the main homepage, mouse over to the profile button at the top right hand corner and click on verification in the pop-up. Go ahead and log in using your credentials once again. Soon after you do that, click the login button. Wait for the code to arrive on your email address. Once you receive it, type it into the text box. Once you do that, you'll need to verify your account by clicking on Start Verification option. Select your country from the drop-down and choose your ID type that is available with you right now. Upload the document by clicking on Upload. Choose your ID from your library and click on the Next button in order to verify yourself for Paybis. Once you're done with the verification, you can now go ahead and buy any kind of a cryptocurrency that you want. Right where you can see you spend, type in the amount that you're willing to pay in order to buy BNB on your Paybis account. Choose your currency and your payment method from the drop-down and simply go to the bottom text box and click on the drop-down. Now type in BNB into the search box and choose whether you want to buy BNB BEP2 or BNB BEP20 tokens. Select one of the options and you'll be able to see the amount of BNB you will receive if you spend this amount over here. Finally, click on the buy button in order to buy BNB for Paybis. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.